Welcome to the Federal. Today in our studios, we have with us P.A. Krishnan, author, writer, and Marxist intellectual. We would be discussing with him on the new education policy which the committee head by Kasturi Rangan had submitted to this government. Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
One more point which actually raised a lot of thing here, and I know you have very strong views on this also, is the three-language formula, and about people, especially the local parties here, the DMK and its allies, who said that there's some sort of an Hindi imposition which is happening over here. What are your views on that?
I don't think the three-language formula has been there for for donkey's years now. No. I don't think it is Hindi imposition. I don't think so. I don't think it's Hindi imposition. The Tamil Nadu parties are doing it purely for political purposes. I don't think that was the intention of the committee also, because they already issued a clarification now.
Yeah, they
issued a clarification now, and I think there's nothing wrong in learning a third language. Of course, that should be left to the states. If Tamil Nadu wants to have a two-language formula, yeah, you can have it. But personally speaking, children will learn a third language very, very easily. It can be anything. It can be Zulu, for all I care. It can be any language. It need not be Hindi.
No, I think the important point which said that mother tongue being the first.
Of course, are we doing it now? That's what you should see. That's what we should see. The committee, the policy, draft policy also speaks about mother tongue. Education. Correct. Mother tongue. It also says that anyway. Yeah, but you will have to leave it to the state governments, to decide whether they want to have a two-language policy or a three-language policy. You cannot dictate from the center that no, the state will have three-language policy. You can't say that. That's for the people of the state to decide.
Very true. Last bit, what about the secondary and higher education? How do you think this draft report has dealt with it? Do you think one thing which I did notice from the data point of view is more money being allocated for the higher education?
Yeah, what I will do is, instead of looking at bit by bit, what as you said about the allocation of funds, the total allocation of funds for the primary and secondary education and the preschool education is about the extra money. See, now they say that the committee says that 10% of the total expenditure for both central and state government is on education now. They want to increase it to 20.9%, if I remember correctly, and they want 5.1%. I think 5.1% for the pre-primary, primary, secondary and secondary education. For that, they are allocating that much of money, and the rest goes to higher education. Okay.
1.4 and.
Yeah, 1.4 is for, I think preschool is 1.4. Correct. I think 3.9 or something. I don't know. 3.7 or 3.9 or something is for the. But the increase in education, the major share goes to higher education. But if you higher education also, see the total number of higher education, the art stream will be about more than 60%. 65% will be art stream. And in art stream, the money spent will not be that much. So even of that, the 5 percentage, the major share will go to science and technology. Okay. So if you look at the number of people who are working in the field of science and technology, it will be, the number of students will be about 1.2 crores or 1.3 crores. So the entire money will be spent on them.
Disproportionately large when compared to.
I don't know about that. I don't know whether it is disproportionately large or not. The committee hasn't even looked into this aspect. If you see the per capita expenditure, roughly if speaking, is a ballpark figure. It will be 20 times more than what you spend on a secondary school student. Okay. Now, if you look at the budget of state governments, okay, are they spending that much of money? Or both the central and state, if you put together, are they spending that much of money? I don't know. The committee should have come out with all these figures. They haven't done anything at all. Yeah. They also say that these are all high level figures. the variation will be significant. If their high level variation is significant, what's the point in giving this figure? It's very alarming. If you are spending that much of money on higher education, then neglecting it amounts to neglect. I am not sure. I am not sure about that. This has to be studied. That's all I want to say. This aspect has to be studied. This has to be by experts in the field. When I went through the figures, this is the first thing which struck me. So I am sharing it with you. I am not an expert, as I said initially.
No, but one important point which I think is the report doesn't mention many of our great leaders, right? For example, the Gandhian thought. There's no. I think that is something what.
Exactly. The entire report, Gandhi's name is mentioned as a national hero. Okay. It doesn't speak about Gandhi's ideas on education. Especially, I don't know how someone can write a report on primary education without Gandhi's idea. At least you should say that no, Gandhi was talking nonsense. We are going somewhere else. You should at least say that. You just can't ignore his ideas on education. But the committee has chosen to do so. I don't know why. And the word village is also not finding,
Rural, for example, there's not been.
Yeah, rural is mentioned in many places, but it's all in very general terms. It doesn't speak about the problems, actual problems of the rural masses. The committee may say that no, we are sitting at a pedestal. They are at the bottom. We may not be able to see, as minutely as you want us to see. They may say that no, they are very right to do so. But that's my complaint.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Mr. Krishnan, for having come to our studios. And we hope that more people do come, write, and talk about this. Yeah. And there's a genuine conversation as far as this topic is concerned, because our children's future is too important.
Exactly.
I think to be left only with people in a committee somewhere in Delhi.
Exactly. I want the state government's participation. I want the state government's concerns. They should also be addressed. Their concerns should also be addressed. That's what I want. I don't think the report addresses the state government's concerns. I may be wrong, because as I said, I am not an expert. This is my view.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, and you're watching The Federal.